go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go. And there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your
Welcome back, guys. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for being with us for our first full official year on YouTube. Pretty cool.
Yes, and Aaron's feeling a lot better.
I am.
We took a day off.
Yes.
Right?
Josh was excellent. He baked me an entire sheet of cookies and let me call him Mrs. Doubtfire all night. It was just such a great time.
It's not true at all. Didn't happen. Turn this off. Do it again. All right, so what's the plan for today?
So today we are picking up where we left off, which is with the casing that is going to go around the doors and the windows. We have a little bit of noise in the background. One of our kids is carving with no-cut safety gloves, of course.
Yes.
And our other one is pushing her baby around in a doll stroller. So, excuse that.
So like you said, we're gonna start casing. We're gonna try to get up to the loft and all the way down and get that entire side completed with the wood planking.
Yes, it's a lofty goal, but we're gonna go for it.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
All right, let's get started.
All right.
Okay, so all of the casing is done.
Yeah, it looks good. So you can see nail holes all through the casing. Those will get patched and sanded and covered up. So you won't see them eventually.
Yes. It definitely added a finishing touch though for now having that casing up. So
yeah, it's finished. It needs paint Or staying.
Yes.
We'll see.
Yes, that was a huge topic of discussion in the comment section. We totally understand. Guys, just hang in there with us. We have a vision for the house, so just hang in there.
Yep.
Okay, so we're getting ready to move on to more planking. Another comment that we saw a lot in the comment section was about the boards not lining up in this corner right here between the walls. So I want to explain why that is. So my little example right here, some scrap pieces of wood. If you have two vertical walls like this, where they're completely lined up, then you can match up the boards. But once you take one of those walls and you tip it at an angle, the way
it's
that
actually more of an angle, it's more like that.
The way that our A-frame wall is, and this one is my head blocking it.
No, it's
if
good.
you could
it's
see
big,
it.
It's not blocking anything.
Thanks, Tim. Then you can see that the boards change. I mean, there's a whole like an inch or
this is
so
going
of
vertical,
difference.
this is actually going at an angle, so it shrinks down a little bit. That's all it does.
Yeah.
Us getting away from that is, we can't do it.
We can't. So that's why you're seeing what you're seeing. We realized this going into it, that's the way it was.
Mm-hmm.
As far as finishing this corner goes right here, our plan for that has always been to have some like decorative beams.
Yeah, doing
that are
faux
in the
beams
house.
there.
Yes. So we're gonna have one beam that runs down the center of the house. I think we've mentioned that before.
Yes.
And then we're gonna have some other beams put
Faux
in.
beams going from
Floor to
floor
ceiling.
up to the roof.
Yes,
Or
elsewhere in
ceiling.
the house. So that's the plan. There's a lot of like little things that are going on. It'll all get pulled together in the end. Like I said, just hang in there with us and we'll get there.
No issues.
Yes.
All
All
right,
right.
let's keep
So
going.
let's keep going. That's a little Debbie dance. The scaffolding's built, so we are ready to go up high.
Yeah, so you saw us complete this section right here, but we're not gonna do this little thin part until we come over this way across and back down, because I want it all lined up perfectly.
Yes.
So, we'll see, it should be fine.
Okay, let's get up there.
Don't break the scaffolding there.
pieces are really bowed, so it makes it tough to get them down.
Yeah.
We're trying to squeeze them and then move across, and we're up high, so it's definitely not the easiest.
I'm trying to get Big Bertha to use her weight to push it down, but she's having a hard time getting it in.
You're gonna have a hard time getting it in tonight with all that crap talking. Okay.
We'll see. I'll inform you guys next video.
But before we go any higher, these seams, we didn't totally explain. So we've got this seam coming up right here. There's the air compressor. And we've got a seam that's going to be coming up right here. Both of those are where the beams are going to be going. So you're not going to end up seeing them once it's all said and done.
They're going to get covered up, yeah.
Yes.
We're stating the obvious thing, but...
Well, they might have thought there was going to be a seam there.
Yeah.
Like for good. It's not.
That's
That's part of that beam that we were talking about earlier is running from floor to ceiling, covering that corner. So, that's it.
Yep.
All right.
Come on. All right, so we did the planking up to the dormer. Erin just revealed to me that she's been terrified on top of that scaffold and the 12-foot ladder. So
True.
She hasn't gotten used to any of that stuff yet.
No. I told him that out of everything that we've been through, having moved out here and being off grid, that is the only time that I'm ever like, I don't know if I can do this anymore. I don't know if I can do this anymore. It's the worst.
That's okay. You should get used to it.
I just want to be back on the ground, which I am now.
We're good. So let's finish up next to the fireplace, work our way down, and call it night. It's getting late.
Yes, sounds good.
All right.
It's done. That's it for the night.
We're done. Did hit our goal though.
We didn't. We didn't make it all the way back to the loft, but
yeah, so goals are for you. You don't reach them, you try again.
Yeah, we don't reach them every single time. We
never reach our goals. Whatever. We gotta keep on getting. We gotta
in the
work
long
towards
run,
it.
we'll reach it.
Yeah. So just like.
Just not tonight is not that night.
No, I'm done.
All
what else we got? Is that it?
That's it. I'm tired. We're out of here. Thank you for watching.
Yep.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.
See you next time.
Yep. See ya.